We've never been up this lane before, we just had a random look. Like and subscribe! Welcome to Car Traction, and in today's video you'll notice something very different. We are on bikes. Now a few weeks back on another bike ride we discovered some old abandoned tractors in a field. So I thought in today's video we'll go and have a quick look to see if we can find them. Alright then, so I seem to remember that these old tractors were situated in a field somewhere along the canal. So I think that's where we're going to head. Well, as you can see we are now on the canal. So I think we're going to head up there and then see if we can find anything interesting. So behind the world's jazziest boat, we have some old tractors. There's one over there, next to a trailer, something like a Nuffield. Got a Leyland 60s tractor. Then there's a Fergie there, and then there's something else there, not quite sure what that is. And then I can see just over there some more sheds, so I'm going to have to go and have a quick look over there. We've got a Fergie in front of something else, but I can't quite see what it is. Just behind some nettles we've got another odd tractor, something like a Nuffield surely, next to the old lift bridge. Here's a closer look at that tractor, a Nuffield 1060. So it refers to being 10 gears, and I believe it has 60 brake horsepower. It's looking very original and very nice. BMC diesel. Looking very oily. That's the way we like things here. Where we have a very nice looking lineup of old tractors. The owners kindly let us have a look round. Got an old Fords in here. Some sort of agricultural engine. Then here's where the nice stuff is. Internationals. Got the nice early one. Then you got a slightly later one. And then you have the latest one, even though that this is probably still 60s, 70s. Fantastic looking things. We've never been up this lane before, we just had a random look, because I mean, why not? It's certainly proving to be fruitful. The old lift bridge in action. You can see the boat going underneath now. In the distance are the remains of a moggy miner. If I can stop the camera from shaking around too much, apologies. It is very, very far away. But I think that's pretty much it for this area. We've been down a lot of quiet lanes, off the beaten track. We've filmed everything that we've found, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this sort of thing, please check out my channel homepage. There are very similar videos to like this. Apologies for car noises. There are a lot of videos just like this on there. As said earlier, please like and subscribe if you have not already done so. Thanks for watching.